what you have there.
Teresa, this is my personalized technique book I made at Bernina Academy.
Tell me more.
Well, Teresa, we are going to have Miss Kathy Wright show us the right way to learn these different techniques. My personal favorite is the mock trapunto. So look at the dimension. I was able to learn some free motion. I was able to do some things in embroidery. It was a great way to try different techniques, and I got to take this wonderful book home. So I have a reference, I've got my materials that I need, and I've got step-by-step instructions to recreate this at home. Have you ever attended a Bernina Academy?
I've heard of Bernina Academies. Now, is this the same as the ones before?
No, this is a brand new technique class that we are having here at Inspired to Sew.
When is this happening?
This class is going to be a 2-day hands-on event on November 22nd and 23rd. So that's a Friday, Saturday.
The Friday and Saturday, 1 week before Thanksgiving.
That's
a perfect time so you can get your sewing technique on over the holiday.
Yes.
That's excellent.
Yes. Lunch will also be included, so you don't have to worry about that. All of the materials and the fabrics we will have here at the store, and you'll also get the book to take home, and then you will get to choose which one is your favorite. But I mean, look at these. There's so many. Another one of my favorites is the scalloped edge.
So it looks like there's about 13 in total, both sewing and embroidery.
Correct. So it's a combination of sewing and embroideries.
So Paula, how do I sign up for this next Bernina Academy?
That's a great question. You can call us at Inspired to Sew or sign up in the link below.
And don't wait, seating is limited. Don't miss your spot.